Now similarly, as a hydrogen atom, we can understand by the chlorine atom also. Chlorine, the atomic number of the chlorine is what? 17, means it has 2, 8 and 7. In outermost orbit 7 electrons are there. It is just require one more electron to complete this octet, means plus 8 plus to get the octet, right? So chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons are there. Here also 7 electrons are there. They will also share one electron each, right, to get this octet. So this chlorine, how many electrons are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This chlorine has also 8 electrons, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it both the chlorine atom has completed their octet and they form chlorine molecule, and these two are the share electron. So how many bonds are there? Cl and Cl, only one covalent bond is present in Cl2 molecule. So like hydrogen atom, chlorine also form a single bond between the two chlorine atoms. Okay, now we will discuss for the oxygen atom. So we will understand through the diagram only. Okay, so oxygen, how many electrons are there? Oxygen means 6 oxygen is there. So electron configuration become 2 and oxygen is 8, so it has electron 2 and 6, right? Outermost orbit 2 electrons are there. It want 2 more electron to complete this octet. So what it will do? It will share 2 electrons. So one chlorine is there atom and another chlorine atom is there having 6 electron each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 2 electrons from each atom will be cell and will form like this type of structure, that is a molecule. So one oxygen atom will combine with another oxygen atom by sharing 4 electrons, right? Because here 2 and from here 2 become sharing 4 electrons, and they will form the double bond between the oxygen atom, means it will form two covalent bond between oxygen and another oxygen and forming a oxygen molecule. Now similarly is there in case of nitrogen. Nitrogen is what? 7, right? So it has 2 and 5 electron. So it requires 3 more electron to complete this octet, means 8 electron. So it will share 3 electrons each to convert into the molecule. So nitrogen has 3 electrons in that sharing one. So 5 electrons are present, but it will take part 3 electron in the covalent bond formation. So each 3 electrons from the nitrogen will share with each other and complete their octet. So here become 1, 2 and here 6 electrons are there. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, and here also 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Means they will complete that octet and make a noble gas configuration, right? So here 6 electrons are contributing for the sharing, so it will form 3 bonds. So triple bond between the two nitrogen atoms are present. So it will, in case of nitrogen, 3 covalent bonds are present. Now students will discuss how they form the water. Water having the covalent bond. But how? So we can see that here 2 molecule of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen is required to make water, means H2O, right? So we will write for one oxygen. So oxygen is O, right? How many electrons are present? O is, oxygen is 8, so it has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. So 2 electrons will participate. So we are writing here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 electron, right? 1 electron. Again we require 2 mole of hydrogen. So hydrogen having 2, right? So we are representing one is dotted line and one is the x1. So both are going to combine by how? So oxygen is present 1, 2, 3 and 4. One electron with hydrogen and one electron with another hydrogen. So here we write the H. So this will complete it. Here also we write the H. This is also completed, and this will become like this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means oxygen has completed octet. Similarly hydrogen 1 and 2 means it has also attained the noble configuration. Here hydrogen also has completed his noble configuration. So what it will form? It will form like this way. Oxygen is present, one covalent bond H, one covalent bond H, and here 4 electrons are present, right, with the hydrogen. Like this way water molecules has formed. Understood this one? Now in case of Na3 ammonia, right? So the configuration of N means how many electrons are present? So 7 N is present, so only 2 5 means 3 electrons is required to complete that octet. So how it will arrange? So nitrogen is there 1 2, right? 5 electrons we have to arrange. 1 2 and 3 are taking part in the bond covalent form formation, right? With the hydrogen. Hydrogen means what? 1 electron is there, but how many mole we want? 3 molecule of hydrogen is required, or 3 atom of hydrogen is required. They will combine together, and what will it form? It will form like this way. Nitrogen is present, 2 will remain as it is. So 1 with another hydrogen, 1 will share with the another hydrogen, and 1 will share with the third hydrogen, right? Here dot will come and here H will come. Like this way they will arrange with each other and complete that octet. Hydrogen has completed 1 and 2. This hydrogen has also completed. This also has completed, and nitrogen will come like this way. So check, 8 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons are present. So like this way it will complete that octet also. So how it will depleted? So hydrogen, one bond with nitrogen. Here also one bond means hydrogen. Now outside also one bond is there, so hydrogen and 2 electron will remain with the nitrogen. This is called the ammonia molecule. Similarly, you can observe in the CH4. Remember this name, it is name is a methane. Okay, it is a, we will discuss more about this molecule in a detail. First we just understand the how they form a covalent bond. So carbon is there in the outermost orbit. How many electrons are there? 4 electrons are there, because they will make 2 and 4, total 6 is there. So in outermost 6 4 electrons are there, so it will arrange like this way, plus 4 molecule of hydrogen having cross dot as a electron. So how they will combine? They will combine like one dot cross, that is hydrogen, one dot cross hydrogen, one dot cross hydrogen, here also one dot and cross hydrogen. Like this way hydrogen will complete their noble configuration, and carbon also complete the noble configuration like this way, right? So that like this way carbon has also completed. So how they will form? Carbon will form 4 covalent bond with hydrogen, each with each 4 hydrogen, right? So this is the formation of methane. Okay, hope students you have understood how covalent bond form in the atoms to form a molecule. Okay, try to find out the another bond like sharing the electrons. Okay,